Charlie.
Bueno.
She want a picture with Tommy. You know she come from the country.
Hey guys, it's Serena. Welcome back to my channel. So it's January 8th. Yeah. Now I'm on my way to the Universal City Lot. Can't say what it's for, but it's with Alina, Guy, Rumor, and Nicole. And then we have rehearsals after that. Then after that, I might go to dance class. So yeah. So we're in the Universal City Lot now. I mean, yeah, that's did I say it right? Universal City Lot. Yeah.
What is it called?
Universal City Lot?
Yeah, we're at Universal City Lot, and this is where the riders ride.
Yeah, we're going to. Do you see this? Look at it. It keeps like going upside down.
We're currently on a golf cart.
Yeah, we're on a golf cart.
And we are going vlogging like wherever it is.
Yeah.
Did you have to show your ID?
Yeah, they took it too.
Oh, they did?
Yeah.
They took it to me.
Really?
In order to get in, they have to see your ID. So I just your ID.
Universal.
This is on the studio tour?
Yeah. Okay guys, so I just got back from Matt's class and it was so good. I think I'm going back on Wednesday, so I'll try to film the combo because he's teaching the same thing at Millennium. I got some Jack in the Box. I got chicken strip. I don't have my tripod, so I got I don't have my tripod, so like I have to hold my phone, but I have chicken strips and curly fries. Oh, there's ranch in there. I need some ranch with my process and my chicken. Okay, let's see. Okay guys, so I'm gonna go to bed. Well, not really, but I'm gonna end this vlog because I still have to edit and post it. But it's 10:44. Yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Comment down below videos you guys like to see on my channel. And follow my social medias, Strategy. And yeah, bye. Mwah.